This is one of the most common mammals on the planet. They are found everywhere from the grasslands of Africa to the steppes of Mongolia. Today we're going to find out why antelopes are built the way that they are. But first, what even is an antelope? Their bodies are also relatively lightweight, especially compared to other large mammals. The smallest antelopes weigh less than a kilogram, and the largest only around 900 kilograms. This helps them communicate with each other. A raised tail means the antelope is nervous, and a lowered tail means submission. Horns are made of keratin, the same substance that makes your nails and hair grow. We could talk about them all day. So to learn more about these magnificent creatures, be sure to check out the link below. Thanks for watching. I'm from Life Noggin. Don't forget to keep on thinking. They aren't attached to anything internally, but they do have a bony core. They're used for defense against predators and for fighting other males during mating season. In some species, the horns are the main weapon of choice, while in others, the males use their hooves to kick and box each other. Since their horns don't fall off, they can grow to be quite long, reaching up to half a meter in some species. That length comes in handy when fighting off a hungry lion, but it can also be dangerous for the antelope. See, their horns don't stop growing. So as they get older, their horns get heavier and heavier. Eventually, the weight of the horns can cause the antelope to become unbalanced and fall over. So one of the main causes of death in antelopes is, unfortunately, old age. If an antelope feels threatened, it will raise its tail and run away. However, if a male antelope wants to show submission to a female in heat, it will do the opposite and lower its tail. And aside from communicating with each other, their undersides also help them communicate with us. Many antelopes have unique patterns on their undersides, like this oryx with its striped belly. No two are alike, kind of like fingerprints. So even if two antelopes look similar, scientists can easily tell them apart. This helps them keep their center of gravity low, so they can run fast without tipping over. Some antelopes can reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour, which is faster than Usain Bolt. That speed comes in handy when they're trying to escape a predator, but it also helps them cover long distances when they're migrating. The word antelope actually refers to a group of related species rather than a single type of animal. This group falls under the larger category of even-toed ungulates, which are mammals with two-toed hooves. And there are about 90 species in this group. Now, these animals have a lot in common. All are herbivores with 4 stomachs to help them digest plants more efficiently. Their horns are also unique in that they are permanent and only grow outward, never upward, like a ram's horns. Also, antelopes tend to be very good runners, which brings us to our first adaptation, their legs. And they come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny mouse-like jerboa to the massive eland. There are hundreds of species of antelopes, and each one is perfectly built for survival in its own environment. Hi, it's me, and this is Life Noggin. Antelope legs are perfectly shaped for running. They have a strong, sturdy build with powerful muscles for galloping over long distances. And while we're on the topic of predators, let's talk about their eyes. Antelope eyes are on the sides of their head, which gives them almost 360 degrees of vision. This means they can spot danger coming from almost any direction, and it also means they do not have many blind spots. This is an important adaptation since they are preyed upon by many animals, including lions, hyenas, leopards, cheetahs, jackals, wild dogs, pythons, and even crocodiles. And to top it off, most antelopes are active during the day, which may seem like an easy target for nocturnal predators, but it actually helps them keep an eye on their young. While a lion may be able to sneak up on an adult antelope, it would be much harder to surprise a whole herd of antelopes with keen eyesight constantly on the lookout. And while it may be hard to pick out one individual from the herd, antelopes have another trick up their sleeves, their tails. While not all antelopes have white tails, almost all of them have a white underside. But no matter the species, all antelopes have one thing in common: their horns. There are so many different kinds of antelopes with different behaviors, habitats, and diets.